This little trailer, inside width, 49 inches. It's 6 foot long, 72 inches long. It's a 2010 one axle trailer. Got title on it. Got your ball hitch on it. Plug in, safety chains. It's got lights. It's a dandy little trailer. It's got 5-hole wheels on it. It's that's low to the ground. Got 12-inch rims on it. A real nice little trailer. Buy it on auction time. Absolutely. This is a little tilt bed trailer here now. I just found that out. You get your lawnmowers, 4-wheelers up on there. You really got to look close to these things because you don't notice some of the stuff on them. This has got a wood floor over top of that mesh floor. That way, it's a lot stouter that way. Looks like it's got your 1-inch salt treat boards on it, looks like. Buy her on auction time.